And rubbing potato on your skin has many beauty benefits. They are rich in vitamin C, which is vital for maintaining skin health. A gentle massage with potato slice is extremely beneficial if you have black spots on your face. And rub potato slice on your face for 5 minutes. Once done, rinse off with clean water. You can also use cold potato juice as daily facial rinse. It will help reveal clear and perfect skin. They remove dead skin cells on the face. And it can be used as a natural facial cleanser. Applying potato to the under eye area is a safe and natural way to brighten up the dark circles. And take one potato and peel the skin. Grate it in a grater, and crush them in a mortar to make a paste. Now, take 1 teaspoon of potato paste and 1 teaspoon of yogurt. And mix them together to make a paste. Take a brush and apply this mask on your face. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes and wash off with cool water. This mask is extremely beneficial to get rid of facial blemishes and dark spots. If you have dry skin, potatoes will help to give you that smooth skin feeling in minutes. This mask will gradually alleviate hyperpigmentation, reduce swelling and exfoliate dry skin cells. If you have oily skin, then use potato paste and rose water. Take a potato, peel the skin and grate it. Then, add a grated potato in a mixer jar. Add half tomato. Add water. Blend. Add lemon juice. Pour the mixture in an ice cube tray and freeze it. Once frozen, remove an ice cube tray from the freezer and they are ready to use. Massage 2 or 3 ice cubes on your face in a circular motion. They will not only remove dark spots but also helps to minimize large open pores, improves blood circulation on face, giving it radiant natural glow.